Today, we will discuss HashiCorp and CyberArk. Both platforms offer logging and auditing features. This is crucial for compliance and for monitoring who has access to private data. Essentially, by offering solutions that assist businesses in managing and safeguarding their most important assets, both businesses strengthen their security posture. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. HashiCorp places a strong emphasis on data protection and secret management in contemporary cloud-native settings, especially with their Vault solution. It is mostly focused on infrastructure as code and DevOps workflows. Offers resources for data encryption, secret management, and access control for sensitive data, centralized administration of secrets, dynamic creation of mysteries. CyberArk. The area of expertise for CyberArk is Privileged Access Management or PAM. Securing and managing privileged accounts which have increased access to vital systems and data is its main priority. Attempts to stop external assaults that take advantage of privileged credentials as well as insider risks. Management of privileged sessions, vaulting of credentials, enforcement of least privilege, compliance and audit. All in all, both HashiCorp Vault and CyberArk provide methods for controlling access to personal information. They contain mechanisms for authentication, permission, and policy enforcement to ensure that only authorized users and apps can access critical data. They provide companies with necessary tools and APIs to automate security processes, reducing the likelihood of human error and boosting efficiency.